Hi everybody! I have decided to do an entire dragon face and then we're gonna go outside, and it is the last season of Game of Thrones, but this is how you become a dragon. Given what we're gonna do today, I feel like the shinier the better, the more hydrated the better, because we're gonna be scaly. So I got this wonderful stuff at Houston Comicapalooza. If you guys were able to go by, I was really excited to see a lot of you. But this wonderful lady kind of put me onto it. I had tried the Darth Maul makeup with a different bit of costume makeup. Last time I used NYX. Time before that I used Ben Nye, and now we're gonna use Tag. So, oh Lord. Oh, it comes with its own brushes. Ooh. I had like, oh, by the way, if you guys need brushes for body paint stuff, I would suggest just going like to Walmart, because now Walmart has really nice brushes. But just go and get some like nice feeling brushes. Like, it doesn't have to be crazy. You just have to feel good, because it's gonna be on your face. We're back with Mr. Glue. He's here again, which tells you that this is gonna be a really intense makeup. What the heck? Oh, that's weird. Oh, that's weird. It has like this weird, there's these little burbujas. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable with all these ridges. It's like it knows. Ay, Dios. Ay, Dios. Ay, Diosito Santo, por favor, ayúdame. I would really like to keep my eyebrows. So just FYI, when you use this, it's not that big a deal. I'm just dramatic. Help me, help me, help me become a dragon, Lord of Light. Oh yeah, yeah. Lord of Light, eh? Lord of Light, Lord of Light, Lord of Light. This makeup is inspired by Keilidh. Anyway, I am sorry if I said your name wrong. Her makeup video, her face paint video will be in the description below and also in the corner here. But yes, it is inspired by her makeup look. I have just glued down my eyebrows, and so I'm gonna go ahead and go in and start. I feel like, is there a difference with this brush and that brush? No, there is no difference. Supposed to be wet? I don't even know. So I'm noticing a little bit of dryness on it. I don't know if that's on purpose. Oh. It makes more sense now. And now I'm going to lay out where some of these scales are gonna go. Last time that we did this, that you all joined me on this adventure, we went over the fact that, oh my god, look at that! Oh my god! Some people have like really cute, thin Barbie eyebrows, and I have really big, cartoony Mexican ones. Look at my eyebrows, gaze into their power. Do I look like a cat? Possibly. Are dragons like cats? Also possibly. Have you seen them when you try to get food away from them? They will kill you. So I glued down the eyebrows because I'm going to be using some really intense waterproof eyelash adhesive. This eyelash adhesive is for the top of my eyelash right here, not for right here. So I'm going to actually do this one more time. Just between me and the Lord. Lord of light, help me through this. Lord of light, ooh, what? Oh my God, I literally got, I was excited. I was excited for a few seconds, and then it decided, like I'd held it long enough, and it's now sticking to my fingers instead of to my face. Explain yourself. I'm gonna leave it alone. Leave it alone. And I'm gonna use this brush to go in and put some finishing powder on my eyebrows, so that way it will work. So I'm using some NYX translucent finishing powder because eventually this will all be covered. You know what, at this point, just wish me luck, because I don't even know if this is gonna stick. I have tried this for like 10 to 20 minutes and it has chosen to be a butt. And even when I smile, it tries to come off. So I'm really scared because I have so much more to do. And now, like, the glue is sticking to my fingers and not my face. I'm gonna be really honest right here, right now. This is hell. This left me with these types of fingers. See that? You see all that? That is eyelash glue. That is eyelash glue that chose to not stay on my face. And in so doing, I am now looking like this. So, just FYI, if you're wondering, Veronique, you look a little disheveled. Your hair's coming out over here. This little cute little tuft over here is like having a moment. It's because this thing is taking it out on me. Diosito Santo, ayúdame, 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 ayúdame. If I talk too loud, if I am too expressive, this whole makeup will come off. I don't even know how dragons do it. I don't even know how they do it. I have this many more scales to put on. Like, I have this whole, you hear that? You hear that? I have this whole handful. To put on my face. And honestly, I'm not looking forward to it. I'm not looking forward to putting all these scales on my face. And so, oh, Lord of light, give me patience for this shenanigans, because I cannot take it. No, I cannot. I'm about to lose it. You should be a dragon, Veronique. It'll be easy, Veronique. You just have to glue stuff on your face, Veronique. Oh my, it's not looking that bad. It looked worse in the beginning, I'm gonna tell you. It was touch and go there. Me and this lighter right here. We're about to set fire to this whole damn thing. Whole damn thing. Khaleesi, are you proud of me? I'm proud of me. Oh wow. That just happened. That happened like. You may be asking yourself this question. What hot mess is this? So I have just gotten to this part of the makeup. I tried to show some of it. Things kept falling off. I didn't feel comfortable with showing any more than what was already falling off. Between me and the Lord of Light and you, this is what happened. So that's what you guys are gonna see. You guys are gonna see this part. Now the next part is doing stuff with a little bit of eyeliner and kind of just figuring out these lines here. So I'm gonna actually be drawing in some scales along with the ones I already did. Baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon. Baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon do 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 do. Baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon. Baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon do 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 do, baby dragon. I think this looks pretty interesting. Not bad, not good, but interesting. So, my roommate brought friends over. And we're gonna get their reaction to this makeup.
Oh, fuck.
Hey. She held her chest like she was about to like have a heart attack.
You surprised me.
I am a dragon on parade at this moment. It actually doesn't look too bad. I added a little bit of color in it, but it doesn't really look too bad. I look like a dragon, I think. Like maybe a dragon on a budget, but still a dragon. I am going to Jack in the Crack, and I'm gonna order some food, and then I'm gonna go home. Because I have homework to do. This is a dragon on the prowl. This is a dragon out and about. Against my smoker. You know what? I'm gonna treat myself. I'm also gonna get some curly fries. Hey guys, seatbelt, always be safe. You know what is up with this Kang fangled, you know, order what the person in front of me got? Nah, I want to live my best life, not live my life by the rules of others. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh man. Here's a lady there freaked out. Like she ran to the back. Thank you so much.
How's it going?
You too. I literally scared that poor lady at the drive-thru. I think she thought I looked like a demon. She looked at me like, oh, Dios mío. What she said. I'm the madre of all dragons. Lick my tongue. I'm like a bird. I want to fly away. But I don't know where my home is. I don't know where my soul is. Today, everything ends. My girl Daenerys, you know, she won't be blowing up my phone all the time. Now look, I can smell relatives from a mile away. They smelled related. But no, I love him. He's so great. He understands me. He completes me. And what happened? What happened? You just can't argue with stupid. You just can't. You can Dracarys with stupid. Dracarys bad. Dracarys bad. Man, you know what? There should be a metal band. I should make a metal band called Dracarys. 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 Fire. Fire. I think I am too beautiful for this world. People don't appreciate me. I tell Daenerys no. What does she do? What does she do? Who knew that all the dragon girl ever really wanted was someone to listen to her and, you know, a nice coffee. You can't be fire all the time. Oh, God. I may not be a beauty guru, but look at me. I'm a gorgeous dragon. Make sure to ring that bell. Yeah, ring the bell. Subscribe. There's more of these Game of Thrones episodes coming.